Hello, this is the old mechanic, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do your own brake fluid change on an Aprilia Tuono 1000 factory R. It's easy and I'm going to show you how. First, to get to the reservoir we need to loosen that plastic thing. So let's do it. So there is an Allen socket. Wait, so Allen socket over here. Allen bolt. I mean, we've got this one. Need 12. This is spanner of 12. This one loose. Okay. No. Then this a bit out of the way. And then this thing all the way out. Let's see. Okay. There was a tire wrap over there instead of a bolt. And I already see that its coolant is also low. So let's fill up the coolant first. And right, it's over there, beneath low, so that's not good. Let's fill it up a bit first. Let's see. Yep. So filled it up to the full level, which is good. So okay. Now, what have we got here? Die heeft dat verzonnen. Then it's filled up. So we first gonna lower it a bit. So come over here. We go to our bleeder nipple. Okay, and that's, it's 10. Yeah, 10. Okay, or even 11. 11. Okay, get my pop. So up. So now There's a lot of bubbles coming out. So, now we lowered it a bit. Have to be careful. Ah, het is echt. Wie verzint dat nou? We're gonna unscrew this one. Typical Italian. So I'm gonna lower it as much as possible, as I don't want to mix new fluid with old. Oh. Okay, now I'm going to clean this one out first. Up. So, yep, nice. For the rear brake, I also use Castrol React Performance .4. I always put it in these kinds of bottles. It has a nice spout. So, now let's do it. Up. Up. So then we're gonna clean the membrane. There is this plastic cap I'm going to do in a minute. So what I always do, put a bit of paper inside and then clean the outside all the way. So just a moment. Oh. Okay, then turn it inside out. So, clean that too. What I always do is I never fill it exactly to max. If you fill it to the max level and you push your membrane in, it pushes the brake fluid out. So always keep it a tiny bit lower. So when I put this one in, see, nothing happens. And then clean this one too. clean. Yeah. Okay, the lid. Give it a good clean. And on the outside too. Then and tighten it carefully, not too much. Okay, now we're gonna do this over here. Hold it a bit like this, so otherwise on my brake fluid goes out. Hop, kijk. Then first give it a good clean, and then do the magic with the paper. Kijk. As you can see, perhaps you can see, I'm not sure, there is always brake fluid in that bleeder nipple. So, see? And then put another one in. And I let that soak for a while. And then it's nicely good. Now, we're gonna do the, I think it's 6 here. I think it's 6. I'm not sure. Just see what's behind there. Okay. Okay. See if it's not too long. No. Okay. Then we need these and these. This one up. Zo. Even kijken. Daar. Zo. Not too tight for the moment. And then, yep, to Aprilia. Yes. Hop. This book. This one. That one and this one in also up not too tight. What is this bolt? So now this one in, not too tight, otherwise breaks the plastic. So, filled up the coolant, put the cap back on, and now we're going to the rear side, this one off, and then this one off. So, this was my video about renewing the brake fluid of the rear brake of the Aprilia Tuono 1000 Factory R. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, please put it in the comments. And for now, Old Mechanic and the woman out.